Key West has been a little bit of a disappointment so far.
Our fuse is blue.
These guys in here? Look at that.
Walmart did not have what we needed, but luckily our lights and our fan are not hooked up to the inverter that's not working, so we can still run those tonight, but we're charging our phones from our laptops. The fridge we can't open because we're trying to keep everything cold because it's not working. We'll have to wait till the morning to go to AutoZone or O'Reilly's or something like that to try to fix the problem.
Woke up this morning and it's looking like we got low tire pressure again. Took it into a tire shop. Hopefully gonna just be a pat. Fingers crossed, it's not expensive. Lady's all nervous about time.
I just want to go to Disneyland.
Bruce was a thirsty boy this evening. Look at that. Almost 30 gallons. What are you doing, Nate?
I was gonna order from Amazon, or are you talking about my bread?
Your bread.
Well, because of our blown fuse, we can't use the toaster oven right now, so I'm just having plain non-toasted bread without the crust. I mean, he dropped his phone and his jammed bread, so
Face down on my jam.
now he's licking his phone.
It's tasty.
That phone was at Disney World yesterday. It's probably so dirty. A souvenir from yesterday. Do you think it gets us free parking in the whole state of Florida?
I think it works for the entire world.
I've been looking the entire trip for one of these. Has to be blue. I finally found it. Florida Keys. Goes Jay from the bathroom in the pouring rain back to safety. Get in, get in, get in!
Oh my gosh, I'm already soaked.
And we got lunch going. It's a great beach day. It's raining, so we don't want to go to the beach outside or in the water because it's raining, so we don't want to lay out. It's so hot in the van and we just feel stuck.
What's up there, Dean?
Oh, just the southernmost point of the US.
All these people waiting in line just to take a picture.
Yeah. Getting key lime pie.
$5 piece of pie.
Let's see if it's really that good. Pretty yummy. I don't even like pie. I love the crust.
It's kind of tart. I think it's supposed to be though. Give it like a B-.
I'll go.
Oh, there's a little piece.
Get it? Still a B-?
Maybe a B. B- was a little harsh. So many chickens. Look at the chickens.
Roosters.
Come here. Oh, I heard a chicken nugget. Oh, combo meal. Oh, a 20-piece chicken nugget. Key West has been a little bit of a disappointment so far. It was raining in the morning, we will give it that, but the beach is just like kind of gross. Water's all murky, sand is kind of bad. We're gonna give it one last chance at Smathers Beach and hopefully it can redeem itself.
Going swimming?
Look, I'm walking in the sewer. Woo!
Oh, so fun.
I keep finding all these little like cucumber looking things. I don't know if they're seaweed. Let us know what these things are, but they kind of remind me of the little like pool submarines, you know, that look like this. Because watch, when you throw them. To the pole. Gotta touch it. You got it. Did you pee? It feels really warm right here. There's crabs?
A little guy.
Oh! I cannot believe you're this far out and can still touch. Oh, go. I brought you a sea cucumber to eat. You can snap it in half. No!
Yum.
Paper straws.
I actually suffer through it. Jay had a metal one in the car.
So pretty.
Go, go, go.
Gotta hurry.
The sun's gonna set. Yeah, the nervous shake, the nervous shake.